We're going to tackle something that trips up a lot of students, matrix multiplication. And specifically, we're going to square a matrix. Don't worry, I'm going to break this down step by step, and by the end, you'll totally get it. So here's our challenge. We've got this 2 by 2 matrix here. It's got 2 and 1 on the top row and 3 and 4 on the bottom row. And we want to square it. That just means we're multiplying this matrix by itself. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just square each number? And no, that's not how it works. Matrix multiplication is actually pretty different from regular multiplication. Let me show you why. All right, here's the key thing you need to remember about matrix multiplication. Row times column. When we multiply two matrices, we're taking each row from the first matrix and multiplying it with each column from the second matrix. Since we're squaring our matrix, we're basically multiplying it by itself. So let's write this out. We've got our matrix A times matrix A again, same numbers on both sides. Let's start with the top left corner of our answer. How do we get that? We take the first row of the first matrix, that's 2 and 1, and we multiply it with the first column of the second matrix, which is also 2 and 3. So we do 2 times 2, that's 4, plus 1 times 3, that's 3. Add them together. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And boom, the top left number in our answer is 7. 1 down, 3 to go. Now let's get the top right corner. Same deal. We take that first row again, 2 and 1, but this time we multiply it with the second column of the second matrix. That's 1 and 4. So 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 1 times 4 equals 4. Add them up. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Top right number? That's 6. We're halfway there. All right, bottom left corner now. Let's switch to the second row of our first matrix. That's 3 and 4. And we multiply it with the first column of the second matrix back to 2 and 3. Here we go. 3 times 2 gives us 6, plus 4 times 3. That's 12. Total, 6 plus 12 equals 18. Bottom left, 18. Nice. One more to go. Last one, bottom right corner. We're taking that second row again, 3 and 4, and multiplying with the second column, that's 1 and 4. Calculate it. 3 times 1 equals 3. Plus 4 times 4 equals 16. Add them. 3 plus 16 equals 19. And there it is. Bottom right is 19. So let's see our final answer. When we square this matrix, we get a new matrix with 7 and 6 on the top and 18 and 19 on the bottom. See how different that is from just squaring each individual number? If we'd done that, we would have gotten 4, 1, 9, and 16, which is completely wrong. Let me quickly recap the process. To multiply matrices, 1. Take a row from the first matrix. 2. Take a column from the second matrix. 3. Multiply the corresponding numbers together. 4. Add up all those products. 5. That sum goes in your answer matrix. Do this for every row-column combination, and you've got your answer. Matrix multiplication might seem weird at first, but once you get the hang of this row times column pattern, it becomes pretty straightforward. Just take it one element at a time and don't rush. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more math tutorials. Drop a comment if you've got questions. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next